I've been a biker, and I really can't tell you how it feels, because it's like giving a child a candy. It's like me in a candy store. So I'm really excited. This is amongst, if not the highest performing engines around, and I've had my fair share of a nice little fall. You know, I enjoyed this baby in Delhi, and I had a nice fall, and I realized that this is the baby I want, and I'm here with Aprilia RSV4. I wanted a matte black. They insisted on a factory, but I wanted a matte black because I love the matte black, and I can't stop staring at her. So after this is over, I'll keep looking at her for a bit. Biking for me is passion, and see how my friend's trying to protect the bike. No, I mean, I love motorcycles. I've always loved motorcycles from day one. So किसी को problem नहीं है, because everybody knows I love motorcycles. Yeah, it comes with a, but I'd rather it was a one-seater. Yeah, it's a cowl. It's like how we have cowls everywhere. But no, I would not like to take anybody at the back. Honestly, I really wouldn't like to. Yeah, but she's so beautiful. Why would you need anyone more beautiful or as beautiful at the back? It's okay. I'm happy with one beauty in front. She's really beautiful. The one thing that I always mention, and actually it's not very flattering, is that once I had a pillion rider and there was a female behind me, and I fell down. I had a RD350 and I fell down, and she fell over the Jeep, and I got scared, and I picked up the motorcycle to see if there was any oil leaking. And the crowd told me, you know, she's fallen, what are you doing? I said, but lekin mera oil leak ho raha hai yahan pe, iska kya karu? So I was young then, I was brash, and obviously, I mean, but my love for motorcycles is very different. I'm sure Ikjot, who's a hardcore motorcyclist, will understand that in my younger days, I used to take out the chain and sprocket and put it on a plastic on the bed, and I used to sleep on the floor. So in the rains, so the battery, chain, sprocket, everything used to be taken out, greased and kept on the bed. So that's how I took care of my motorcycles. And I think if all of you ride, all you beautiful women out here have boyfriends who ride their motorcycles, I think they must have that kind of interest in maintaining their motorcycles, because it speaks a lot about how they're going to take care of their women in their life. ये बाइक का जो शौक है, बाइक को तो चलाना ही है, तो कोशिश यही है कि मैं एक सेफ्टी गियर पहनूं, सेफ्टी बूट्स, जैकेट्स, हेलमेट्स. दैट्स व्हाट आई वेयर एंड आई राइड. बट यस, मुंबई के जो रास्ते हैं वो बहुत ख़राब है. दे आर हॉरिबल, एंड वी मस्ट टेल द गवर्नमेंट टू डू समथिंग अबाउट द रोड्स, राइट? आई थिंक बाइकिंग इज it's just like a great it's a great adrenaline rush, and it's great testosterone for you, for a man. And it's great to ride a bike because it makes life a lot more exciting. And I think bikers always look cool on motorcycles. So I think all men look cool on motorcycles. So men should ride motorcycles, because driving a car is easy, but riding a motorcycle is very exciting. I think the Dhoom 3 trailer is very good. I hope there is a lot of motorcycles in it, because I'm a motorcycling enthusiast, and I wish Amir and especially Abhishek and Uday all the best. And I'm sure it'll be a very big hit. Well, Hamara Bajaj, first of all, is a working title. We're tired of people filing cases on us, and we don't want another litigation on our head from any other motorcycling manufacturer. We're fed up. So it's a working title, but yes, Hamara Bajaj is going to come on floors after Ayushman finishes this project. Shujit's got another project, then comes on floors, and that's our next production after Madras Cafe. And I'm sure you guys will enjoy it. If you like Vicky Donor, you all will love Hamara Bajaj.